I'm Kevin, the K&DK Custom Products.
I'm Devin, the D&DK Custom Products.
And today we're doing a video on how to remove the forks from a Batwing bike without touching the Batwing fairing. So the other day, Kurt was down at the shop. He wanted to install some intimidators into his front forks, and he had some chrome lowers he wanted to put on there. So we just set him up in the shop while we were in a different meeting, and we put the camera on him. And so you're going to see him in fast motion taking the front forks off and then putting them back in with the chrome sliders and with the intimidators installed. We have another video showing how to install the intimidators. We'll put it up in the corner up here. This is just to show you how easy it is on a Batwing bike to remove the front forks without touching the Batwing. And so when we set up the camera, it was just to the front of the bike, so you didn't see the magic that happened behind the bike. So we're going to show that right now, and that'll be pretty easy to see how easy it is, because almost everybody thinks they got to take either the outer or the inner fairing off to get to the front forks, and you just don't have to do that. Devin and we tested so many front suspensions years ago, and we discovered really quick we didn't want to mess with the fairing every time we went to change the front suspension to test out a new type. So let's look at that real quick. So the magic of not having to touch the inner fairing or the outer fairing to get to it is there's a screw right here. I've already started loosening it on each side, and you just take this out. And remember, when you put it back in, I recommend using thread locker. You don't want it to come out. You take this screw out right here. Okay. And then you pull this out. Now, okay, so here's what happens sometimes, and that is that this little chrome piece is pinching against there. So I'm going to loosen this acorn right here. Don't need to take that out, we just need to get it loose. And then we pop this out and see this little lip right here. So when we go to put that back in, we just need to make sure it goes up under there and not like that. I'll get the other side. There we go. And you don't have to take that off, you just have to get it loose, because now what you can see is there are 3 fasteners. Devin's finger's on that one fastener. That's the top pinch clamp for the fork. This is the top of the fork right here. Yep. That's the top pinch clamp. And then the other one, there's 2 of them right here. Yep. And that's it. There is no need to mess with the fairing. Just get this loose, loosen that, loosen these 2, and you can pull the fork straight out.
hope you found this video useful and informative.
And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. And always feel free to contact us at our email address or our phone number, support@dkcustomproducts.com, 662-252-8828.
And y'all ride safe out there.